First day I took classes, I realized I was in the right place because not only were these just teachers getting paid to teach, they actually had full-time jobs as stationary engineers.
I really think that the value I bring as an apprentice to an employer would be the training that I'm getting, both on the job and classroom training. I'm always around, seasoned veterans that are always willing to teach me something. Everyone here has been more than welcoming, trying to teach me something and welcome me into the trade.
I'm only going to school 2 nights a week, at most 8 hours a week, and the homework is minimal, but the learning is exceptional, and no debt, so that's a major plus.
If you are a hands-on person and have that mechanical ability, this could be a field that you may want to come check out, and this could be an excellent career choice for you.